welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I just got a notification on my phone a couple of hours ago that Jhope just released his new MV for the song Airplane, and I was like, this is out of the blue, I'm not ready, I don't think anyone is ready, so I rushed home as soon as I could. And I'm ready to watch this now. I know Namjoon helped him with the hook of the song, and I think there's a version where Namjoon is rapping and the other members are singing with him, which hasn't been released yet, so hopefully in the future we get to hear that. But other than that, let's go and check this out. Okay. Ooh, cityscape. That's really pretty. Okay, parking lot, Hobie. Okay, it's gonna be like a, a little bit slower MV, less flashy. It makes sense, the song is a little bit chiller. Ooh, that jacket, I love that jacket. His skin looks so good. His whole face. I don't know, that golden color, like skin color he has. So beautiful. Again, the shots. Ooh, Hobie in the car, okay. Let's see ya. Chill in your car. What is that? It's like a necklace or tag. The fashion though, it was stylish. Okay. Ooh, that shot was really cool. The airplane. I wonder if this looks like a parking lot somewhere. There's no other car. Also that shots on the rooftop. All these shots are really nice. Beautiful lighting. Yes! Drink champagne in my airplane. Ooh! Okay, there's some editing. Some nice cool like flashy editing. Okay. It's an interesting perspective. It's cool filming actually. Very good filming. Alright, Highway, taking a scroll. Ooh. That was cool. What was it? It's like a room, but there's like screens, like TV screens. Okay, dropping that necklace or tag. There's a lot of Hobies now. Stars. Fading out. I also really like the airplane sounds in this music, or in this song, I mean. Okay. Nice, and then the parking lot, and he walking away, and there's just like a dark shadow of him. It is really cool. It's kind of different from the other MV, obviously. It's slower, and it's like less editing or less flashy kind of colors. What I really liked about this MV was especially the rooftop scenes with where you just kind of like saw his silhouette. It was kind of like his dark silhouette, and then the sun setting, and just like the beautiful color of the sun, like orange and kind of yellow, and all these clouds. I thought those were beautiful shots of him. And then like the whole airplane theme was like throughout the MV, obviously, so like you could see airplanes. And then like in the song there is the airplane sound as well, which is really cool. So like it all kind of ties together, which I really like to see all the time. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this reaction and give me a thumbs up if you did. Follow me on social media if you want to. Sorry if there's like noise around, just people working in my house right now. So it's kind of loud and I hope you can hear me, but either way, I hope you have a wonderful day or night or whatever's for you, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.